Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. Finally, TCS Free NQT 2025 exam date is announced, and now you will be also able to download the admit card. The exam is starting from 15th of March. Exams will be in phases, so you will be also getting the examination mail in some time if you have not received it. But many of the student has already got the date as 15th of March. If any one of you have got different date, then please let us know. TCS has sent an email like this. So TCS NQT All India Batch 2025 15th of March 2025 admit card download. Friends, I will give you the complete information about each and everything, and I had told you if they release the admit card, we will be the first channel who will make video on your admit card is available, and from this particular link, right? So I will tell you the link also, you will go and download your admit card. Okay, so please do like and subscribe now also, so that you don't miss any information. Here you see, friends, so TCS has sent an email. So TCS NQT All India Batch 2025 15th of March, right? Admit card download. So basically the exam date is on 15th of March 2025, and you can now download the admit card. Let us see what they are telling. So please, dear name, please be informed that admit card of TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, which is scheduled on Saturday, March 15, 2025, is now available to download by login at the link given below. User ID, so user password, your registration number will be your first time login password. Please note that you have to first reset your password to download the admit card. So when they have clearly mentioned, you have to reset your password to download your admit card. Steps to reset the password: enter your user login ID. On a screen 2, you must enter your user login password DTID, okay? And now you will be able to use your new password, okay? Once you have changed to log into your admit card, right? Okay. Now, friends, next thing, if you will see, so, okay, before that I will tell you. So here you see, in case you forget your password, you can use the forget password option and go to login. All those things you can do. Admit card link, so this link if you click, then what will happen, you will be redirected to this particular page, okay? So the same link that you have to click from your email, and here you see, kindly log in to view application assessment related activities. Your registration number will be your first time login, so enter your ID or registration number. Kindly change your password with combination of alphanumeric, symbolic, uppercase and in lowercase with minimum length of 8 character. So you can put like love 1 2 3 4, you can put, right? So suppose if your ex name was Puspa 1 2 3 4, right? You can put Kiran, okay, 1 2 3 4, okay? You can put, so these are the password you can use, Pratik at 143, right? So you can use any password like these combinations. So these are the combinations which you have to use: uppercase, lowercase, your this kind of symbols, okay? So any symbolic, okay, numeric 1 2 3 4, that you have to use. And then password, so your password will be nothing but your registration number will be your first time login password. After that you have to put the captcha whatever is shown here, and after you log in you have to change your password. After changing the password, please keep that password, write it somewhere, okay, that password. So please write and keep the password somewhere, so that you don't forget it, because many times the forget user ID password will not work, okay? And ultimately your account will be blocked for more time. So friends, this is what I wanted to tell you. And now in the last moment, what you have to do. So friends, now you have very limited time. Okay, so recording is happening, right? So now you have very limited time. So what I suggest you, friends, see, already I have uploaded lot of videos. If you go here, you can see, this is live classes. Also, I have few classes I have taken. Okay, so this is coding class there is today, and TCS NQT 2025 percentage and profit and loss, and then coding PYQ, and then here you can see coding classes, here you can see reasoning questions, then aptitude questions. So all those things I have done. So now when you have limited time, in this limited time, what are you going to do? So in this basically limited time, you have to practice as much as possible. Today also we are going to upload one mock test for you, and moreover friends, here you see, so this crash course already 5 mock tests, 5 mock test series we have planned. 3 is already uploaded, 1 we will upload by tomorrow. So 4 mock test series, full length mock test series you can give. And see friend, don't take a risk, okay? So if we are really serious about TCS NQT exam, write the mock test, attend the classes, okay? So at least this last moment classes where we will be doing many number of questions. Attend that kind of classes, it will be definitely helpful for you, right? Go through the important topics, right? And I will be coming up with one short aptitude revision video, one short reasoning revision video where I will be, okay, so mostly that will be happening in this aptitude crash course, where I will be giving you the aptitude one short revision, reasoning one short revision. So now also you can get this NQT crash course, friends. The exam will be happening for sure now, you all know. So get this today and start your preparation. This last moment, whatever you study will matter a lot in your examination. Thank you, and keep loving us, keep supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.